Hey, Stephania, did you know that the Earth is over 70% water?
Oh, the Earth is mostly water just like us.
What are some ways you like to drink water?
Ooh, I like tropical flavors the most. My favorite water recipe is kiwi strawberry. It's like taking a vacation to a tropical island. What's your favorite flavor, Mr. Champion? Do you like herbal, tangy, sweet, or tropical the most?
I like herbal. Have you tried grapefruit rosemary? It tastes like my favorite tea. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
That sounds so good. Sweet is another good flavor option. I really like the strawberry cucumber because it has the sweetness of strawberries, but the cucumber makes it really refreshing.
Cucumber is good. It's good in a lot of things. If you add a citrus boost of lemon to cucumber, it becomes tangy.
Wow, all these options are making me super thirsty. Let's celebrate World Water Day by rethinking our drink and try some water recipes.
Thank you for celebrating World Water Day with us. What's your favorite way to flavor water?